comrades have been captured, but I have eluded our hated enemies, and now after one final test of my phase oscillator, I will use a wormhole to find allies on a parallel Earth. Good. It made it to the other side. Dimensional wave is holding steady. Huh? Which is more than I can say for my nerves.
Please, no! Stay away! It's a setup! Wait! I'm not a crook, I swear!
Sit down, Freddy. It's my meeting.
It's him, Batman.
We didn't do nothing.
Well, we all know that's a lie.
Who the hell are you?
Smoke him!
I said sit down!
You wanna die? There's easier ways to kill yourself!
Yeah, like yelling at the guy who's holding the AK-47. Listen to me, you drug-peddling scumbags. I will be running the drug trade from now on. You 8 are the most prosperous street dealers in Gotham. I'm offering you morons a deal. You go about your business as usual, but kick up 40% to me. That's a much sweeter deal than the scraps Black Mask is leaving you. In return, you will have total protection from both Black Mask and Batman. But you stay away from kids in schoolyards. No dealing to children, got it? If you do, you're dead.
What's the matter? Lost for words? I expected more. I'm hurt.
Joker sent me the film. I saw him kill you.
Don't you dare lie to me! How long did you wait before replacing me, huh? A month? A week? I trusted you! And you just left me to die!
That's not what happened.
You always told me, Bruce. Focus on what I want to achieve, and it'll happen. You wanna know what I want now? Huh? I want you dead.